we're going to witness the sequence of startup on this dead unit that we resurrected. We're connecting the thermostat wire from the thermostat down below. We are calling. We've got the spark going. We got the flame going. Main flame just energized. We're heating up the heat exchanger. At the same time, the time delay is timing out for the fan. This shows 24 volts. This is the line voltage that will allow the three-phase contactor to energize on a 208-230 coil. Heat exchanger, got the temperature, fan fired up, job done.